Hey boys and girls, we're so proud of the work you've been doing on subtraction. It's so weird to not be able to see how hard you're working, so thank you for posting pictures in your portfolio so Mrs. James and I can see all of the hard work. Subtraction isn't easy, but you've come a long way. You've learned lots of strategies for subtraction, and now it's time to use some of those strategies to solve problems. We want to learn about math like addition and subtraction so that we're able to solve problems. So today we're going to solve a word problem together. And then when we're done, you can solve another one if you'd like to. So to follow along with me, you can pause the video to go grab your math notebook. I'm on page 17 where we have a subtraction word problem. And when you're ready, hit play. Okay, so the first job every time we're solving a word problem is to read the word problem. So I'm going to read it to you now, and we can try to picture the story in our brain. This word problem is helpful because they gave a picture, the start of a picture to help us. This says, Jesse found 8 bugs under a log. 3 bugs flew away. How many bugs are left? A lot of times when we hear that word left, like how many of something is left, that means that we want to subtract because things were taken away. In this case, bugs flew away, so we know we need to subtract. I'm going to use a strategy of making a drawing to help me. Now, you might already know the answer in your brain, but a lot of times when we're solving word problems, we have to show what's happening inside of our brain somehow. And a great way to do that is by making a math drawing. So I'm going to make a math drawing under the log, and we need to start by drawing 8 bugs. That's how many bugs were there at first. I'm going to do it in a simple math drawing, just using circles that represent bugs. If you want to make bugs, you totally can. So we need 8 bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, when I'm making math drawings, I really like doing it in a 5-group drawing, where I have 5 on top and then I keep on going down in the bottom, almost like it's in a 10 frame. It just helps us keep our drawing really organized and helps us solve more accurately. Okay, so Jesse found 8 bugs under a log. There's our 8 bugs. 3 bugs flew away. Now, since I'm working, you're probably using a pencil or crayons. If you're using crayons to draw your bug, we can't have those come off of the paper. So we're just going to cross off the bugs that flew away. We started with 8 and 3 flew away. 1, 2, 3. How many bugs are left? Now I can count how many bugs I didn't cross off, and that will tell us how many bugs are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bugs are left. We did a drawing to show our thinking, and a lot of times we also need to write a math sentence to show what was happening inside of our brain when we solved the problem. The math sentence uses symbols like plus signs and minus signs and equal signs. So because we're doing subtraction, we're going to write a subtraction sentence. We started with 8 bugs. We took away 3 bugs because 3 bugs flew away. And our answer, the difference, how many bugs were left? We counted 5. So now I can read my math sentence. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Another good thing to start practicing when we're solving word problems is to write our answer out. So the question was, how many bugs are left? We can write our answer. 5 bugs. 5 bugs. Now, if you want to, you could add even more words to your answer. 5 bugs are left. 5 bugs are left. When we're solving a word problem, doing each of these things really helps the person who's looking at our work to know what was happening in our brain. You might have read this and automatically said, I know there's 5 bugs left. But by doing a math drawing, writing a number sentence, and writing your answer in a sentence like this, 5 bugs are left, really shows your teachers what's happening inside of your brain when you're doing that work. So we did one word problem together. If you'd like, you could go on to solve this problem. This one is about butterflies. It says Bridget used her net to catch 9 butterflies, but then 4 butterflies escaped. How many butterflies does Bridget have left? So you would draw her butterflies inside of the net that she caught, cross off the butterflies that escaped, and then write a math sentence and write your answer like we just did. Sometimes writing the answer is a little bit tricky. One good idea, one tip I have for you is to try to use the words that are in the sentence to help you. And you can have a family member help you with the sentence part. That's a little bit tricky. Families, let us know if you need any more support with subtraction. We've been working so hard on subtraction, and pretty soon we're going to be ready to move forward and start thinking about teen numbers and tens and ones. So if subtraction is still a little bit tricky, just get in touch with us, and we're happy to provide extra support. Have fun solving subtraction word problems. Bye!